The channel's just getting started. Products won't diminish. Video games and movies. Hurry up. Come on. Let's play to the finish. I'm the one, the only. Yes, you got it right. I'm Unboxing Chinglish. Unboxing Chinglish. Thank you for joining me today. And also taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate you. Today, we have Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart Launch Edition, PS5, PlayStation Studios, and Insomniac Games. Another big unboxing. There you go. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Okay, let's get this started. Blast your way through an interdimensional adventure. Go dimension hopping with Ratchet, Clank, and newcomer Ratchet, a resistance fighter from another universe. Help them take on a maniacal robot emperor and stop a dimension collapse. Take aim with outrageous weaponry. Slip through dimensional rifts. Explore never before seen planets. Wow. One player, 50 gigabytes minimum, vibration functions, and trigger effects supported. And then in-game purchases. Then it says here, early unlock for Carbinox armor set and Pixelator weapon. Available via voucher code, expires 6/11/2024. And then internet connection and account for PlayStation Network required to redeem. There you go. That's about it. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Let's unbox this. There you go. Here we go. Still no PS5. If I don't have a PS5 by the end of this month, I'm probably going to go to StockX and purchase one from there because this is ridiculous. Still no PS5. Let's open this up. And let's see. Got some the Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, the armor set, and the Pixelator. There you go. And then let me put this back in here. And then if you want to buy some clothing from PlayStation, you can do this right here. Looks like a jacket and a long sleeve t-shirt and some water bottles available at gear.playstation.com. I think I'm gonna buy that long sleeve t-shirt. I like that long sleeve t, and maybe even a jacket. And the water bottle. There you go. New merchandise from PlayStation. Okay, that is about it. Remember, always remember, oh, don't go away just yet. I almost had you there. Woo! I got another movie for you. Jumanji, the next level. There you go. And if you get this code, please write down in the comment section that you got it. Okay. And there's no QR code, so you have to put the entire code in their website here. Okay, there you go. Remember, always remember, don't sell yourself short in life. Take it to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.